I'm watching a news story today. Well, really, it's an ongoing story. But earlier today, President Biden, he met with executives from a slew of private companies like SeatGeek, Airbnb, Ticketmaster, which is owned by Live Nation, to discuss hidden junk fees. And this is something that Biden has been increasingly going after. And the point of this meeting was that these companies they're going to start cracking down on that and offering different options for consumers so that they can see all-in pricing. So that includes the service charges, all the extra fees that you get at the end of the day. He called this a quote-unquote win for the consumer. So that's the story here. But will it really change the needle? I think that's a big question. And of course, this all comes after the aftermath of the Taylor Swift Ticketmaster fiasco that we saw last year.
Exactly, right? I mean, I guess it's all about transparency. And this is that junk fees thing that Biden talked about cracking down on. I'm a fan of this because, look, when you go online and you look at the price and it tells you it's $100, I know they're more than that. Like if you're going to a Taylor Swift
way
or
more
Beyonce,
than that.
I know. Oh my gosh. I mean, the prices are way more than that, right? But then by the end, it shows the way more than that, the double, the 200, the 300, and that's on the nosebleed seat side.
Right, so basically it's like for these platforms to add those features so that consumers can more easily search for the all-in pricing, so that you know what you're paying for rather than waiting until you get to your cart.
Nothing ignites your inner Jimmy McMillan. Of course, the man who once famously said and ran under the rent is too damn high party. The fees are too damn high.
They are.
But I have to say, what I was surprised to see, happy to see, was that this had bipartisan support. I mean, all Americans can agree that they want to see and acknowledge and understand exactly what they're paying for. And so that was certainly, and by the way, on the price of an actual ticket, Allie and I were discussing this before, but I mean, people are spending around $1,300 on average for tickets, but also for their outfits. People are traveling for Taylor Swift's concerts. And this is something that we're seeing with the Beyonce tour as well.
Beyond
I mean, so it's beyond just the ticket price here. And so the fees being seen.
I've written down a couple.
But like, we also need to bring the fees down though, right? Transparency is one thing, but at the end of the day, if I'm still paying the same amount, I'm not going to be too happy about that.
Well, the artist would probably say, well, it's for all of us. If you really love us, you'll pay this. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see what the prices look like with the all-in.
It doesn't pay dividends. It's not for all of us.
I agree. I'm on Team Brad.
You play drums, so.
Okay. Well, yeah, that's fine. True.